Semper regis, omnium regis, vitale te stabilis, cum obturat, et cum curat, ludum et...
You can tell me what solar energy is. Solar does mean from the sun, so it's energy we get from the sun, right? And a lot of times we think of the warmth and the light that comes from the sun, yes?
Yes.
Alright, so today I'm going to show you a demonstration of something that is an example of solar energy. Alright, Yamila, here we are in 5th grade, and we are discussing what we learned yesterday with our solar balloon experiment. Would you please tell everybody what kind of energy were we learning about?
We were learning about solar energy.
Alright, please describe what is solar energy so you can tell everyone who may not be aware of it.
Solar energy is energy that comes from the sun.
Okay, good. What are some examples of that, Malcolm?
Some examples are like solar-powered cars, and some places even have solar panels to save energy.
Alright, and what are some good examples of solar energy that we use every day that we may not realize?
Solar cars, solar panels, and that's it.
What about solar calculators? Do we use those ever? Good, good. How did the solar energy make the balloon float, Dallas?
Because the air was heavier than the hot air inside the balloon.
So the hot air made it float. How so?
Because it made it float because the hot air inside the balloon was less than the air outside.
What would happen, Evelyn, if the balloon, instead of being black, was white? Would that change? Would it have happened at all?
It would change because if the black, it absorbed the sun, so that's why it put heat inside the balloon so it can make it float. But if it was white, the sun would have went through and it would not float.
Good, because we learned that black absorbs the heat the best, right, Brianna?
Uh-huh.
That's right. And so if it was white, it wouldn't absorb the sun as much as black. Is that correct, Cole?
Yeah.
Good. Quick, another question. Yamila, if it wasn't hot outside yesterday, what if it was cloudy or maybe windy? Would that affect how much it would be floating?
Yes.
Yeah, how so? What if it was a little cloudy outside?
It wouldn't go as high as it went yesterday
Good. And why is that?
because it wouldn't absorb as much heat.
Very good. All right, Spurs, we're going to sign off now. Hope you learned something about solar energy and you had fun just like we did.